Welcome Pakistan.
Our adventure started when I decided to pursue my passion of riding my bike and live a life of my dreams. Ali Hassan, Haider Abbas, Behlol and Ali Raza. We all as a team decided to explore Pakistan on two wheels. I just wanted to discuss that idea that I just want to travel around the world, and I want to start my journey from Pakistan, because Pakistan is of course my homeland, and I just want to explore the diversity, I just want to explore the beauty, I just want to explore each and every corner of my country first of all, then I'm going to travel around the world.
When Rizwan discussed this idea to all of us, we were really enthusiastic, and we certainly say yes, we are in. So the main thing is the idea of this tour, the main theme to pick the beauty of Pakistan to the canvas, and we have very beautiful sites in Pakistan, but unfortunately these are not well canvassed, or you can say these are not known to the world properly. So we have decided, this team has decided that we have to do this for Pakistan, for our mother homeland.
We neither have proper bikes nor gear. We are using best possible things in our range. But we will definitely take this step because our ultimate target is world tour. And if we successfully do that, world tour is not so far. We took our first step from the toughest highway of Pakistan, the Karakoram highway, which is the 8th wonder of the world. In order to start this journey, we need to know about our capabilities, that we can make it or not, because this whole journey is just a first step towards the endless journeys. Here is a challenge. Mr. Production Manager has challenged to him that you have to cross this road. Let me show you that. You have to cross this road without touching your feet on the ground. What do you think? What do you think? Will he make it or not? I think no.
I've made it.
Although I know that I am a good rider, I know that, but I want to participate in this challenge. I also want to test my skills, being a rider. What?
Congratulations.
Oh yeah. Congratulations to my fellow rider, Mr. Ali Hassan.
I've done it.
Wish me luck. I'm gonna participate in the challenge.
It's too much difficult.
In order to build our confidence, we pushed ourselves to the limits.
I think we can make it. So guys, our production manager has
Is literally trying to do something.
has decided that he has
To
he
break
has
his
to
leg
break
at
his
least.
leg at any cost. You can see that. So it was a really very risky job we have done up till now, and
Just look at the level of enthusiasm That's why he is production manager.
The plan is we have gathered here and we have chosen this place because this is, as you can see, is a little bit adventurous. We are going into an ultimate adventurous places, so we have decided to have some mock exercises here, riding here, and camping site is not available here, but we will have a camping night here.
Preparations begin right away. First, we change the tire and oil of our bike and listened a freezing story of a shop owner. I was in Skardu in December and temperature was literally freezing. Everything. Water on snowfalls, rivers, streams, all were frozen like a rock. And riding a bike on snow is simply an act of foolishness. You guys are nuts. God bless you and have a safe journey. Second step was designing of a carrier for one of our bike, which will carry most of our load.
We are just about to finish a very important job. What we are doing right now is we are making a frame for the back of our bike in which we will put all of our luggage. Not all, like most of our luggage. Because last time in our Shindur trip, we faced a lot of difficulty, and that mechanic, that welder, he did a very great job. I'm actually very happy with that. He made a very nice and very calculated frame for the back, and it's almost done now. We are just finishing it up.
Meanwhile, I took my bike to get a nice and warm shower. We are ready, our bikes are ready. So it's time to go for it. See you all on the road.